And welcome back. People's Bank, one of only 16 nationwide to get recognized by Forbes as best in-state bank in more than one state. And over the weekend, it merged with Premier Bank and Citizens Deposit Bank.
Getting bigger. Yesterday, People's Bank went ahead and opened up those former Premier Bank and Citizens Deposit Banks, 46 bank branches, under the name now People's Bank, the consolidation. And today we are joined by the president and CEO of People's, Chuck Sulerzyski, to discuss the new branches.
Yeah, thanks for taking time to talk with us today.
So it's great to be with you. Thank you so much.
How did it all take place when it comes to these kind of discussions? Are these done years in advance in prepping and talking to the other CEOs from the other banks about consolidation? Or is this something that maybe happens just weeks and months before?
No, it's a long process.
Okay.
This deal was announced in the end of March, and we were working on it last year, and we've had conversations off and on for many years. So it's a long, slow process that when it pays off, it's a great day for for us, and I think we can make it a great day for their customers and their employees. So we're very excited.
Yeah, well, speaking of customers, you now have over 25 bank locations throughout West Virginia, including bank branches in Charleston and many other parts of our WSAZ viewing area. Anything you want our viewers to know about People's Bank?
Well, I'm so excited. When I saw your weather a few minutes ago, I don't think there was a town up there in West Virginia or Kentucky that we didn't have branches. And I think some of the things that we bring to the table, we're very big in the insurance business, very big in the investment business. We handle the largest of corporations, so we'll be able to do more for commercial customers than perhaps Premier was able to do. And finally, I would just say that we're good corporate citizens. We are enormously philanthropic, and we encourage our people to put their time and energy to participate in everything from the local charity walk to being on the boards of colleges and hospitals. So I'm just very grateful to my People's Bank colleagues and very delighted, to put Citizens and to put Premier as part of People's. And, I can't promise you that we're perfect, but I can promise you that we try every day to be as good as possible.
Chuck, how important is that to do that kind of philanthropic work in your area where you serve? Because, of course, banks have this idea. People still have ideas of what happened in 2008 on Wall Street and the connection with banking in America. Oh, well, the banks all got a bailout. They're rich. They have all this money. And you have a whole different idea, I would imagine, of how you want people to think of banks. How important is it to do that kind of work?
I think it's absolutely critical. I mean, let's not kid ourselves. Southern Ohio, West Virginia, Kentucky, these are parts of the country that a lot of folks have passed by, and that partnership with community groups, that making a difference in these small towns really is appreciated by customers and by prospects. And for us, it's paid us huge dividends over the years. So it is who we are. Our people put so much time and energy to participating in community affairs. And we think it separates us certainly from the big banks. And, we're very excited and enjoy doing everything from buying the animals at the country fairs to helping in the soup kitchens.
It's important work.
It sure is. Yeah. Okay, so how can people get in touch with you all if they maybe want more information or maybe to become a member of People's Bank?
They can just go into any one of our locations. They can call our customer service line. They can find us online at peoplesbankcorp.com. And so however they want to interact with us, we're set to do so.
And most people, of course, they already have a bank. People have their money in.
Right.
And so it's also no secret that, you want to try to get some new customers in there. So what's your message to those folks who are like, no, I'm good. I've been with my bank for the last 40 years to say, hey, we'd like to see you. We'd like to be able to talk to you.
Yeah, and I would tell you that most people have more than one banking relationship. They bank with multiple banks, multiple credit providers. And I would just encourage you to go in and talk to someone and experience the people's difference. call our customer service line, maybe give us a week or two, because right now we're swamped, and just see what it is that we're about. You mentioned it earlier in the introduction. I'm very grateful to you for that. But 16 banks in the country got put in the top 5 by Forbes. We're one of those 16, and we happen to be the smallest one of the 16. It's because what we do is a little bit different. It's a little bit higher touch. It's a little bit more partnership. Treating the customer like family, and it makes a difference, and it shows.
Yeah, definitely. Well, congratulations on that recognition.
Yeah. That's always nice to hear. Definitely. A little praise, there's nothing wrong with that. Chuck Sulerzyski, thank you so much for talking with us today.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for taking time. Great to see you. Stay healthy.
You betcha.
Yeah,
you too. Thanks, Chuck.
Thank you.